Did you know that the wig on your favorite celebrity might have traveled over 10,000 miles before reaching their head? Hold on to your hair because we're about to unveil the fascinating world of wig manufacturing that most people never get to see. Many people think wigs are just plastic hair glued onto a cap. Others believe all wigs come from questionable sources. But here's the truth that might surprise you. Modern wig making is a blend of ancient craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. Have you ever wondered how they make wigs look so natural? Or what's the difference between a $50 wig and a $5,000 one? Let's untangle these mysteries together. Imagine walking into a factory where millions of strands of hair are transformed into works of art. But before we dive in, here's something that'll blow your mind. A single high-quality wig can contain over 150,000 individual hairs, each one carefully placed by hand. Speaking of hands, did you know it takes skilled artisans up to 40 hours to complete just one premium wig? That's longer than most people spend at work in a week.
That's impossible.
The journey begins with the crucial step of material collection. Remember when you were a kid and thought hair grew like plants? Well, while we can't grow hair in gardens, wouldn't that be convenient? Factories source their materials from two main channels: human hair donors and synthetic fiber manufacturers. But here's the kicker. Premium human hair usually comes with a fascinating backstory. Ever wondered why Indian temples are some of the biggest suppliers of hair for wigs? Or why synthetic hair can sometimes look even better than the real thing? Once the raw materials arrive at the factory, they enter what I like to call the hair spa. This is where the washing and sorting magic happens. Think of it as a hair salon on steroids. Workers meticulously separate strands by length, color, and texture. Fun fact, did you know that sorting hair requires more attention to detail than sorting diamonds? One wrong strand in the wrong bundle, and you might end up with a wig that looks like it survived a lightning strike. Now comes the part that'll really make your jaw drop: the weaving and knotting process. Picture this: skilled artisans sitting at their workstations, armed with nothing but a tiny hook and the patience of a saint. They're about to perform what I call the hair ballet, a delicate dance of threading and knotting each strand onto a specialized mesh cap. Have you ever tried threading a needle? Now imagine doing that thousands of times with hair strands thinner than spaghetti. The styling phase is where science meets art. This is the moment when a collection of carefully arranged hair transforms into something that could literally change someone's life. Stylists cut, shape, and sometimes color the wigs using techniques that would make your local hairdresser's head spin. Here's a mind-bending thought. How do they ensure that every wig of the same style looks identical? And why can some wigs be styled with heat, while others would melt faster than ice cream in summer? Finally, we reach quality control, the ultimate judgment day for our hair masterpieces. Each wig goes through a series of tests that would make an Olympic qualifying round look easy. They're pulled, brushed, and examined under lights brighter than a Hollywood premiere. But here's what keeps me up at night. How do they test if a wig will stay perfect through rain, wind, and that awkward moment when you're trying to fit into the back seat of a compact car? As we wrap up our hair-raising journey, pun absolutely intended, let's address the burning question in everyone's mind. Is there really such a thing as a completely undetectable wig? The answer might surprise you, but I'll let you in on a secret. Some of the most natural looking hair you see might not be growing from someone's head at all. Remember folks, the next time you see someone rocking an amazing hairstyle, you might be admiring the result of this incredible manufacturing process. And hey, isn't it amazing how something as simple as arranged strands of hair can give people the confidence to conquer their world?